This is the headstock for my Shopsmith Mark V. In fact, this particular unit is what's become known as the mechanical headstock. Probably the most distinguishing feature on this whole machine is this section right here. It has the Shopsmith emblem, this post, this outer ring with letters marked all the way around, and this pointed indicator. As you can see, this is a speed control system. It allows me to change the speed at which the spindles on the top turn by turning this crank to specific settings. And each letter corresponds to an RPM rating. The Shopsmith speed changing system provides an infinite number of speeds between 700 and 5200 RPM. Some of those speeds are indexed on the dial with a letter, and this provides an enormous amount of flexibility for operating different tools at the appropriate speed. Let me show you a little more about how this speed changer works from the back side of the machine. This lever here moves forward and backward when I change the speed control, which causes the geometry of this upper sheave to change shape, thereby changing the ratio of the upper and lower sheaves. At speed setting R, the spindle turns at a 1-to-1 ratio with the shaft of the motor. But if I turn that speed dial all the way up to fast, it's turning about 30% faster than the motor, which means the spindle has approximately 30% less torque. But if I turn the speed dial all the way down to slow, which operates at 700 RPMs, the spindle is spinning almost 5 times slower than the shaft of the motor. That means the spindle has approximately 5 times more torque than the original capabilities of the motor. This ability to change both the speed and torque of that headstock provides an enormous amount of flexibility for operating a large variety of tools. For example, the Shopsmith headstock can power a table saw, including rabbets, dados, and grooves, a disc sander, horizontal borer, an under-table router, an over-table shaper, a thickness planer, a jointer, a drill press, a drum sander, a belt sander, a bandsaw, overhead router, horizontal router, plate joiner, and several more. All at the correct speed for those particular operations. Well, I hope that explains what the letters mean on the Shopsmith speed dial. That does it for this woodshop nerdery video. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!